Welcome to Hansel Financial. We're going to get right into today's topic, talking about the economy and the cost of living and how expensive it seems to be living in this economy. I know me personally, as a family of the middle class, a family of three. I have a wife and a toddler, another one on the way. It does seem that it's very expensive trying to live nowadays. I feel like the groceries in the grocery store, prices just keep going up and up. I feel like if you're trying to buy a house or even trying to find rent, that it is very expensive and very difficult to find a house that's in your price range, and also trying to find someplace to rent like an apartment or a condo that's also within your budget. But as a middle class family, I understand that I'm in the same exact boat as all of you guys. Thought I would try and make a video to help all of you out there, to help navigate your way through this economy, and trying to help you all figure out and to basically bring down those stress levels a little bit to more reasonable and manageable way of living as well. Now, I have incorporated some of these ideas and ways to live in our own life, in my family, and I've noticed a huge change being able to afford a little bit better, but not being so sticker shock and always trying to, be on the edge of our finances. When I do check our budget every single month, I'm not in complete shock. So when, I check our budget every single month, I'm trying to plan out and trying to navigate through this economy, trying to stick to our budgeting for each individual item with our needs and our wants as well each month. And with that, it is possible to definitely live comfortably within this economy. You just have to make some sacrifices in order to do that. With those sacrifices, those might come in the way of not going out to eat as much. The sacrifice might be you might have to wait longer to save up for that house, or possibly longer to buy that car that you're waiting for, because the interest rates are so high right now still. What I've learned trying to navigate this economy and live right now in 2024 is have patience. Patience is a huge one, and having that patience is going to just help you be able to not feel so overwhelmed and just wait and see for the future. All these things cannot stay this high. The average American, again, the average middle class, we cannot afford to continue to live this way. So again, I feel like in this economy, when you try and go out and just do stuff, just doing stuff just seems so expensive. The other day, we just went to the ice cream. I think it was a local ice cream spot, and it was like $7 or $8 for just a simple ice cream, one scoop ice cream. And I'm just like, that just seems so expensive. And I just feel sorry for, people who maybe in high school or middle school going out on, dates, and, they want to take their date out for ice cream. I'm just like, gosh, it's just so expensive. So what we've been trying to do as a family as well is, instead of going out so much, maybe go out to ice cream or go out to eat, instead we're having more nights and days where we actually stay at the house at home, and we try and do stuff together as a family, trying to save some money. So we'll go maybe to the grocery store and get an ice cream that is on sale, and we'll have it at home. Maybe we'll make it a fun little movie night for everyone, pick out our favorite movie, or have our toddler pick out her favorite movie, which happens to be Toy Story right now. She loves her Toy Story. And so doing things at home, or trying to do things that don't cost anything, is a great way to help you save money in this economy. It's also going to help you not feel so stressed out. And again, you can have still tons of fun at home. You don't have to go out and do things in order to have fun out, in life. You can stay at home, invite friends over, have everyone bring an appetizer or dish or something like that, and just have a great, fun game night, or have a movie night, or just come over and just, hang out and chill and talk with each other. So you do not have to go out to have fun in this economy, because like I said, for us, we've noticed that it is quite expensive. So we've kind of taken a step back and just doing more things at the house, more things at home that doesn't cost as much. And so that's a great way that you're able to save some money right now in this economy. Another thing, again, with this crazy economy, is you can also start looking for a possible side hustle to help your income as well. So maybe your current job is not where your liking is for your salary or your hourly wage. And so there are different avenues you can take that can be a side hustle that can bring in extra income, bring in that second source of income. Just a couple of ideas out there that you could do is, if you do have a car, you can try and drive for Uber or Uber Eats. That's a great way to basically set your own hours when you do work. With that, again, if you work 8 to 5, something like that, then maybe you can work at nights, try to bring in a little extra income, or maybe on the weekends try and work to bring in some extra money for you to use to pay your bills. Another side hustle that you could also try, starting a YouTube channel, trying to grow an audience, subscriber base, and put out something that you are passionate about, something that you are very interested in, and just just go for it and see if you're able to make it at the YouTube world and try and bring a little extra income, because again, that extra income is going to go a long way to help you in this economy, to help you in this cost of living that just seems so high. And again, in my own opinion, it just seems like it just has not gone down yet, even though that the inflation numbers keep showing that it's going down every single month. I just feel like I personally am not seeing those savings really anywhere across the board. Maybe a few items in the grocery store have gone down a little bit, but I just feel like the overall spectrum of that number for the middle class and for my family, I just feel like it's just still very, very expensive. So we just talked a little about, side hustles to bring some extra income. It might also be time for you to actually maybe look for a different job, maybe a better paying job as well. Now, I know right now that it seems like the job market is not the strongest. It seems like that there's been a lot of cutbacks, especially in the tech industry with the bigger companies. I know that some of my personal friends, they've been semi-struggling to try and find jobs, but that is something that you can also remember, is that you don't have to be stuck at your current position or your current job. You can always go and try and find a better paying job. So maybe right now is a time to go and find a job. And remember, the best time to look for a job is when you already have a job. So you might want to just hop on some job sites online like Indeed or something like that and just see what's out there, jobs out there for your abilities, for what field you're in. And who knows, you might be able to find a job that it pays better, maybe better benefits, maybe even working part-time remote or whatever the case might be for your situation. That's an idea that you might want to just bring to your attention, an idea that you might want to try and go after. Try and find a different job that's going to help you bring in an extra income, that way you're not as stressed living in this economy. A few more things, again, things that I thought of that could help you guys try and navigate this economy, help you lower your cost of living. Just small little tweaks you can do here and there. Some things you can do is maybe cancel some of your subscriptions. Maybe you have multiple subscriptions for streaming. You don't maybe need all those subscriptions. Maybe cancel one or two of them. Save 15, $20 here and there every month. So with cutting some of those subscriptions, maybe you can also cut down on your energy usage as well. Again, it's summertime, so everyone's electric bill is going to be going up. It's just the way it is. It's hot outside. So to help you cope with that, maybe you can try and cut back on your energy needs. Look up some helpful articles, or I have made a previous video on ways how you can lower your electric bill. Doing that is also going to help you with your cost of living, bringing down your overall expenses every single month down a bit lower, just by doing a couple of tweaks on your everyday lives to help, bring that bill down and be able to help you just live a little more stress-free. All right, everyone, that's about gonna do it. I hope you guys found this video enlightening, and just a reminder that you're not alone in this economy. As a middle-class family, we are also trying to survive as well. So I just wanted to remind you all out there that you're not the only one out there. Everyone is also seeing the prices still be very expensive. But with that, I hope you guys all have a great one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And don't forget to watch my other videos, possibly the one about how to save money on your electric bill.